We are back again with the sketchboard, and we want to implement very simple programming structure. We have the signal digital output, a pulse from DCS platform. We have the pulse from DCS, and the duration of the pulse can be arbitrary. You can select 5 seconds, 10 seconds. We receive this digital output in Siemens S7 controller. The platform that we are interested here is Step 7 engineering station. The same can be done for TI portal. So in the S7 controller, we receive this digital input, say I0.0, and we simply check the flunk positive. Flunk positive is a very short pulse. You make a flunk positive or positive edge, and when we have this flunk positive, we call SFC0 to write date and time to CPU. In this case, we receive the pulse at you can select any time, but we receive the time at 00 to 0 a.m. So we need to set the date and time of CPU and that time at the same time. Data from PLC should be transferred to WinCC here, schematic WinCC, and we need to set date and time in Windows. So we want to do this task. This task is performed in Step 7 version 5.5. Step 7 version 5.5 and WinCC version 6, possibly 6.1 or 6.0. So I developed this program. It's very simple. I share some section of the program, and I will function test the whole program. So let me move from the sketchboard to the actual environment, programming environment here. This is a simple program. In the program, we receive the pulse, we generate the flunk positive, the positive edge here. In case of positive edge, we perform the set date and time of CPU. Otherwise, we jump, and as we are not sure about the duration of the pulse from DCS, we should generate 5 second a pulse with the duration of 5 seconds and send that to the WinCC. This is the memory to WinCC, and this is the reading the actual time of CPU. That is only for checking. It's not very crucial to perform it. So it's possible to check if the program is working properly in the CPU side. It's very easy. It's working properly in CPU side. Let me show you that. it's possible to call db1, dbb0, and monitor in hex db1, dbb1, three, 4, dbb7. So this is the what can I say, the actual reading. This is the actual reading here. This is the actual reading. This is the pointer access to the date and time variable that is reading the actual date and time of CPU, and this is the pointer to have access to date and time on writing access. This is the memory to write. So initialization can be done in OB100, and in your program we should have the actual year, month, and day. All data should be available. You can use OB100 to initialize, or manually you can provide the data in db1 point dbb8. dbb8 is the writing access. Writing, for the writing we have db1, dbb8, db1, dbb9, db10, and the rest. So dbb10, you need to perform the initialization here. Control db1, dbb11, db12, and the rest. So we sent this pulse. The dynamic reading and writing the date and time in the CPU is very easy. Reading date and time from CPU and writing, it's very easy. But in WinCC we need to transfer this memory to WinCC. It's a extended pulse. This is the let me change it again. Let me change it to 6 AM and trigger the memory to the input again. So you can see that the date and time is updated both in PLC and both in the WinCC part. A very simple programming, both in the step 7 programming environment and the WinCC. Thank you, and we move to the next topics.